Hello, it's Steve. It's 9:26 by that clock. What I'm going to show you is a Hatsan 250 XT Tac Boss CO2 BB pistol. Shoots 430 feet per second. I think it cost about 35 bucks. It looks pretty good. There's an airsoft pistol that looks almost like it. It's like a Ruger. Anyways, right here is the safety. So down is fire. And up. Doing this one-handed. There. That's unsafe. And this is where the CO2 cartridge with the magazine goes. And so there's the CO2. Put a little drop of gun oil on top of the every other CO2 cartridge, and then you twist it in the back right here. It comes with a wrench to do that, right in there. And then the sights have fiber optic front sight, and then the rear sight is adjustable for windage. And it's good up to about 15 yards. To load the BBs, right here on the side, is you pull down on this right here, and then the magazine holds 17 BBs. And one CO2 cartridge on a day that's warmer than 70 degrees, you can get about 4 times the fill on this. So it'll be about between 65 and 70 shots. And the good part of it, the shots will get about 400 to 430 feet per second. Then the last few shots go down to about 370 until you just run out of air. So it's pretty nice. Goes in the bottom, pushes in, and then put it on fire, and it's ready to go. Choo, choo, choo. Nice little gun for about 35 bucks. And for 35 bucks, it also comes with a container of BBs. So you get the BBs and the gun for 35 bucks. I think it's like you pay tax on it in California, and then it has free shipping on it. So pretty good deal. It's good for when the weather's above 70. It's no good when the weather's below 70 at all, because CO2 is like a liquid and turns into a gas. So, and these cartridges, it's really good for in the mountains in the summertime because elevation doesn't affect CO2 like a pump, a variable pump, or a brake barrel. The gas in them affects the pressure of the gun to where you don't have the velocity in some air guns. But with CO2, it's not that way. So you can take a CO2 gun at sea level or 7,000 feet in elevation, and you're going to get the same consistency. So at least that's what my understanding is with CO2s. So if you're interested in a nice little Hatsan 250 XT pistol, shoots 430 feet per second for 35 bucks. This is a pretty nice little deal. It's good for target shooting or shooting mice. Alright, thanks for watching.